6. I woke up in my shoes again, but somewhere you exist, singing. Oops, I did it again. I forgot what I was losing my mind about. I only wrote this down to make you press rewind and send a message. I was stuck in a menace. We've gone way too fast for way too long, and we were never supposed to make it half this far. And I lived so much life, lived so much life. I think that God is gonna have to kill me twice, like my name was Nikki Sixx. I woke up in my shoes again, but somewhere you exist, singing.